Are you still using ChatGPT only for prompts and content? It is time to go beyond ChatGPT. Join our live hands-on masterclass. Beyond ChatGPT, build autonomous AI systems that think and act. In this session, you will learn how autonomous AI systems work, how AI agents think, plan, connect tools, and take action. You will see how these systems can automate real business tasks like lead research, customer support, meeting follow-ups, content creation, workflow automation, and daily operations. This is not just a theory session. It is a practical live masterclass designed for professionals, business owners, consultants, students, and teams who want to understand the next stage of AI. You will also get templates, recording access, and a GI of AI certificate of completion. Register now at giofai.com.